Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about interjection, that what is mean by interjection. इस वीडियो में हम interjection के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. Interjection is one of the parts of speech और उसे उर्दू में हर्फ इज़हार कहा जाता है. Now how interjection is defined? A word which expresses some sudden feeling of mind in a sentence is called as interjection. Interjection is such a word in a sentence which expresses feeling of mind, which arises suddenly in mind. Then such word is called as interjection. Interjection या हर्फ इज़हार जुमले में किसी ऐसे लफ्ज़ को कहा जाता है जो कि जहन में अचानक आने वाले एहसासात को जाहिर करता है. ऐसे लफ्ज़ को फिर इंटरजेक्शन कहा जाता है. Now what are the examples of interjections? Hurrah is an interjection which is expressed on the occasion of happiness. Similarly, alas is another interjection which is expressed on any sad or shocking occasion. Similarly, bro is an interjection which is expressed when you want to commend or praise somebody. Oh is another interjection which is expressed in case of any surprise. Now, how interjections are used in a sentence? These are few examples. Hurrah, we won the match. Bro, Ali performed best in competition. Alas, our national team could not won the match. So these are the examples of interjections which are used in the sentences. If you have any question regarding interjection, then please feel free to comment. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, kindly subscribe it. Thank you.